We did it, guys. We did it. All because of you guys. 100,000 of you guys are watching my channel. I got this award. Hi everyone. I just want to do a quick video on thanking you guys on this cool accomplishment that I just got. And it's the YouTube Play Button Award for reaching 100,000 subscribers. And this is like really cool to get because it kind of pushes you to like keep going, knowing that like 100 of you guys are watching my channel, and I need to like push forward and keep making videos because they're really fun to make, and I really like teaching you guys, and I'm really glad that you guys like my videos to keep watching me and subscribing to me. So I just want to thank you guys for this cool award and for YouTube for giving it to me, and I'm gonna be putting it on the wall right there. Last night I couldn't wait till the next day to film, like do a fancy video, so I just had my mom record me opening the package very quick just so you guys can see like the first reaction and stuff. It's so cool. I was so glad. The box is so nice. You're gonna see like it's just a simple black box. It says YouTube, and then it has the award inside.
YouTube package.
Fancy. You've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplished. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. The CEO, Susan.
Ooh.
And then look. Ooh. Look it.
Oh, Mia. Yay, me!
So I just want to thank you guys again for helping me pass 100,000 subscribers, and I really hope all of you guys stick with me to watch all my future videos. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Crafty Amy, and on Facebook, Crafty Amy 93. Thank you so much!